Today I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in ClickUp. So if you navigate to your projects over here, you'll see projects and you'll see a list of all your projects. So you want to jump into one of your projects. So I'm just going to go into this project 2 over here. You can see that I've got a couple tasks. Now within these tasks, let's say we open this one here, we are going to see a bunch of details. So our status, our dates, time tracked, relationships, assignees, priorities, tags. These are all of the custom or the fields that we can add in here. So now to add a custom field, you go down over here, you'll see custom fields. You're going to go over here to the plus icon here. You can say add field from workspace. This will be an existing field within one of your workspaces, or you can create a field. Here you can see that there are many things that you can actually choose from over here. So let's say, for example, we would like to have a translation. So now we have a field name, translation, we have a description, we have a property, a task description, okay? So then we have our language, because this is translation specifically. And then you can also autofill when tasks are actually created. So whenever a new task is created, this will actually come up as one of the fields. You can also have this auto updated when tasks are changed, and then you can autofill existing tasks. So if all of your other tasks should have this custom field in it, you can just toggle that one on over here. The type over here is a text area. So you want to make sure that this is text area. And ultimately what will happen is if you click on create, if you just give it a second, you will have a whole custom field under the heading translation. You've now also chosen a language. And this is how you can create custom fields and configure them for all of your existing tasks.